everybody.
Hey there.
Let me just check our connection to make sure we are live.
Yes, yes,
Give me
yes.
one moment.
All right.
All
Let's
right,
make
hold on.
sure.
I don't see it up yet. Let me
All
come
right.
back in.
Making sure y'all are seeing us.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Hang on. Okay, we are live. I
There
see
we
us.
are. There
Okay.
we are.
All right, let me pull up the comments
Okay.
so I can see what's happening. Okay, we are live.
Yes.
So we are talking about today what is a roadshow. So
Mm-hmm.
if any of you have ever wanted to sell your products in, I don't know, Costco, maybe you want to sell it in Sam's Club or BJ or any kind of club store,
Mm-hmm.
road shows are important.
Yeah, we even have started to see road shows in like Whole Foods market has them, and
Mm-hmm.
even in other supermarkets. And basically, a road show is a way to demo your product, which is
Yes.
fantastic. And it's a great opportunity to give out samples.
Yes.
Because really, what you want when you're a food vendor, especially when you're starting out, is you want as many people as possible to try your product
Yes.
and to get it out there. That's the way to get it out there. And it's actually a way to get on the shelves as
It
well.
is. Yes. So I'm looking down to make sure I don't miss any comments. Sometimes I can see the comments first on my phone before I can see them in here. So I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. But yes, so if you guys already have a food product, now we're getting ready to give you all a gem right here.
There you go.
Don't miss this, okay? So if you already have, now I know it's some people in here that don't have food products. You might have a beauty product. You may have something else. So this is for any product, okay? So let's say you already have your product in hand, all right? But you don't quite know how to get shelf space. You don't know what to do with it, okay? Please understand, you can walk into a Sam's Club and say, and ask to speak with the manager and say, I would love to be a part of your roadshow program.
Yes.
Can you give me more information? I am a local person, okay? So more than likely, they'll probably connect you with the corporate person. Maybe they'll ask you a few questions. The number one thing before you guys do that is to make sure your product looks retail ready.
Yes.
They won't give you a shot if you're printing your labels at home and it looks homemade, but you want to make sure your product is retail ready. But the road shows are a way to get in the store, as Shavalo said. So if any of y'all checked out on our YouTube channel, we have a video, how do we get in Costco stores, right? And so if you guys checked out that video, well, if you haven't, you need to check it out after we get off live. Don't do it now, but after we get off live. But one of the things we talked about in that video is how Costco tested our product first.
Yes.
And so what they'll do is they'll have you come in. So if you've ever gone to a Costco or a Sam's Club or a BJ and you see people giving out samples, right?
And just quickly, the chat is open if anyone has questions.
Yeah, so you can leave a question, comment, whatever. You can hop in the chat, say who you are, where you're watching, so you can interact with us in the chat because it's interactive, okay? Interactive. So you can ask questions along the way too. All right, so when we first started with Costco, and I'm not going to give away the spoilers because I want you to watch the YouTube video, okay? Tell how we're telling the story. But basically, before we got our kind of yes to go on the shelf, they had to test the product to see if the customers wanted it.
Yes.
So when you're seeing those people, giving out samples, a lot of those products are being tested to see if do the customers want it, and they'll track your sales.
Yes.
Okay, and so that's a way for you to get in there. But let me tell y'all what's cool about road shows. Your product actually is in the Costco system. Okay.
Yes.
It's in the Costco system. So you'll have to have a UPC for it to scan through the register. You'll have to have
that barcode on the
barcode.
side.
So you'll have to have a barcode, but it actually will be in Costco's system, okay? And it will scan through the register.
Yes.
And so they'll track those sales, and your buyer will give you like a goal, a sales goal. And they'll let you
Mm-hmm.
know when you're meeting. You can log in and see if you're meeting your sales goal. Okay, maybe if you missed it one day, you can do a little bit more the next day. But the bottom line is you can have your product scanning through those registers of Costco, Sam's Club.
Guys, let me just tell you the feeling that Monique and I had when we saw our little backyard burger marinade that we bottled. People had it, it got it, they had a taste of it. Because here's the thing, we had the secret weapon, right? We would just heat it up. We'd have some of the burgers and with our marinade in it. And you know when you're walking in those stores and you start smelling
You
the
start
aroma,
smelling that food and you're hungry, you're going to stop. Hi, Terry.
Okay. So people would eat, they get the sample. And listen, when you start eating something and people haven't had it before, and people know in Costco and Sam's Club that this may be the only time you're going to see a product, you're going to see something, so they have to get it. But once they taste it, we know we're going to get a sale. They just say, okay, how much is it? And they grab it, go to the register. But let me tell you guys, that feeling when your product is going through the register and it's yours, it is really something.
It's an amazing feeling that we want each and every one of y'all to experience.
Yes.
But another cool thing about a road show is normally you're doing road shows Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you have like a 4-day sale or show, 4-day show, okay? But the cool thing about it is normally you get paid within like 3 or 4 days of doing your road show. So whatever amount of money that you make, you get back fairly quick. So that's really cool. And I mean, when you're in those shows, I think our sales goal was $1,000 a day we had to hit in sales. And, you know, they have a lot of customers coming in. So it's fairly easy. If you have like a hot pot or whatever it is, something to heat up your food, a crock pot or whatever it is, and the people are smelling that aroma of your food, they're going to get hungry and come over and ask for a sample. And I know everybody in here has an amazing food product.
Yes.
So all you have to do, give them a sample. They're going to buy the food product, okay? And it's going to pass through, and then you made a sale.
Made a sale.
Yes.
And get that feeling. It's just, again, I keep talking about the feeling because you feel good. And especially, you start drawing a following.
Yes.
Because there's so many people at these stores, especially at Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So hundreds of people are coming by your table and they're smelling it and they're getting taste of it and it's getting the awareness like that. Who are these people? And it just grows and grows.
Yes.
So it just grows and grows. And it's also a place because it's also a good place also for people to give testimonials too, because sometimes people taste your stuff and they come to you and they say, man, this is the greatest tasting thing I've had before. And hey, they can offer a testimonial or get on your email list. So there's so many ways to use a roadshow to really build and grow your business.
Yeah. So if you guys are just joining, we're talking about road shows, and in particular we're talking about Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's. And so Shavalo and I did a video. It's on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and check that out. But on our YouTube channel we talked about how we get in Costco. And so one of the things we got a yes, but it was like, okay, to permanently be on the show, you guys have to have your product tested, and we have to see if our customers would really want to purchase this product. And so that is the key, okay, is a road show. So if you have a food product right now, or any product, because I know some of y'all don't have a food product, some of you have other products. So whatever your product is, if your product is finished, okay, if it's produced, you can actually walk into a Sam's Club or a Costco and ask them for more information about their roadshow program and let them know you're interested in becoming a supplier for their store. Okay, so it's really, you really can walk in there and do it just that easy. And another cool thing is once you do one road show.
And that's what I was going to get to. Then we better drop that. Guys, you really got to listen to what Monique's going to say right here.
Yes, so once you do one road show, so we're in Charleston. So let's say
South Carolina.
We're in South Carolina. So we do a road show in Charleston, South Carolina. We want to expand to another state. So literally it's as simple as calling the Costco in whatever,
Jacksonville,
Florida, and saying, hey, this is such and such. I have this product. I'm in the system. I just finished a road show in Charleston. We would love to come to Jacksonville, Florida, and do a road show for you guys there. Yeah. And if they have time, they'll tell you, okay, these are the dates we have available. Boom, 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 boom. And then you decide, okay, boom, I can do a road show there. That's how you really get your product around. So in the beginning, yes, it's gonna, your food business will grow, but it takes hustle. But I know everybody in here.
That's right.
We don't have a problem working, okay? We don't have a problem rolling up our sleeves working, okay? So it's literally as simple as that, making a phone call, and that's how, you really get into the club stores, is they're gonna test your product. But once you do a few road shows, be strategic, be strategic about it, be intentional about it. So once you have a few road shows done, guys, all you're going to do is call the buyer that helps set you up in corporate and say, listen, I've been doing these road shows. They've been going amazing.
Yes.
I want you to look at my sales reports. I've been hitting my numbers. Can you please put me on the shelf as a permanent product?
Yes.
As long as your numbers are good, listen, they like green.
That's right.
Okay? They like green.
It's a win-win.
So it's not hard, guys.
They want vendors. They want new products.
They want them.
They want it. So that's what they're looking for. So guys, never get that feeling like, if I really manufacture, get my product ready for retail, are they really going to want it? No, these retailers want your product. They want to deal with new vendors. They want the new stuff, and even stuff that they haven't had before. A vegan, Middle Eastern, Caribbean, Haitian, African.
If you have something different, you absolutely should be getting out there, because you're filling a gap for them, okay? Because there's not a lot of those ethnic foods inside of the club stores.
Yes.
So that is a gap that you're filling. You're solving a problem. You always want to make sure your product solves a problem. So you're solving a problem and you're getting it out there and you're getting it in the consumer's hands, okay? So you guys that are on now watching, one thing I want you guys to do, you have to interact in the group.
Yes.
And you have to interact with us, because sitting back watching us and saying nothing, you're not going to get anything out of being in here.
In this
you're going to get zero out of being in here. So get in here, do your introduction post, say who you are, say what your product is. Let's post some goals.
Yes.
Talk when you're inside of the group, because if you get in here and sit back and say nothing, you're going to get nothing out of it. So interact with Shivalo and I. Let us know who you are, where you're from, what is your food product, what are your goals. We are dropping these tips for you guys to help y'all take your food business to the next level.
We want all of you to win, absolutely.
Yes.
And guys, this is a welcome video. Some of you guys haven't actually watched the welcome video. It's really quick. It's only just a few minutes long. Maybe it's under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes is pretty quick. But
it's right there. But it really goes over the expectations really of this group and how you can really move your food business to the next level by being in this Facebook group.
Yes, be in the Facebook group. But that's our gem for today is, Terry, you're driving. Listen, you already said your shout out, so I'm not getting on you, Terry. And and if memory serves me correct, Terry, I believe you actually did your introduction post and you posted an amazing photo inside the Facebook group. So I am like, listen, you're good. You're good. But for the rest of you guys, get out here, do your introduction post. Stop being shy. Stop being a wallflower. You're here because you want to move your food business to the next level.
Yes.
Okay?
Absolutely.
So let's be intentional. So that was your nugget for today. Get out there and start visiting Sam's Club, Costco. Get out there and ask. And if you're and check out our YouTube channel, because when you listen to our video, you will hear the first time we went to Costco, we got told no.
That's right.
Now, I'm not going to steal the whole story because I want you guys to go and check it out. But we want you, can we go live? I have my wife with me. Can you go live? You can go live inside of the Facebook group if you want to.
Absolutely.
Y'all can always, I believe y'all all have the ability to go live. So if you have something you want to share inside of our VIP accelerator, we actually had somebody that just went live. But you can post questions now, Terry Kinney. Oh, can we do a live with you? Is that what you're asking? We can't do a live with you, but you are more than welcome to. Paul, here's what I will tell you since you're in the car also. No, with you. Oh, okay. So, Terry, watch the welcome video. There is actually a way for you to set up a quick phone call with Shivalo and I, and we actually do the call. Yes. So, I want you to watch the welcome video after you're driving. Yes. Go back and watch the welcome video. It's the that we have, and we tell you how you can set up a call with Shivalo and I. Okay. So go ahead and make sure you do that. Set up a call with Shivalo and I, and then you can get your questions answered. We're happy to do that.
And a couple things. We're going to be, our next live that we're going to be doing will be on Thursday at 1:00 p.m. Eastern time. Same time, but we're going to be live on Instagram. Yes. So that's where you can see us. And guys, could we talk about Friday night? We have something special happening.
Yeah, talk about Friday.
Yes, on Friday evening, 7:00 p.m. Eastern time, we're going to be doing a free live workshop. It's going to be around a half an hour, but we're going to be breaking down 3 really big steps to getting your product on the shelf. Whatever dish or drink that you have or product, we're going to be giving you the nuggets on that. That's Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern time, as well as we're going to also break down what your food dish, whatever food dish you have, what it's actually worth on grocery store shelves. But the real money, because a lot of people say, they don't really know how much is the amount of money that you can really make by getting your food product on the shelf. We're going to break that down Friday at 7 p.m. It's a live workshop. How can they sign up for that, though, for free? From the Facebook group. Can they go?
I will post a link inside the Facebook group. That's the easiest way, because a lot of the automations, because we're inside of our private group, the automations won't work for you guys. So I will post the
we'll post the link right there
for you guys, so y'all can make it nice and easy to sign up. Yeah.
Okay, so that will be the live workshop for Friday evening, and once again, we're going to be live on Instagram at 1 p.m. Dropping another nugget for you guys.
Yes.
To move your business forward.
So want to give
Thursday.
Absolutely. So I'm going to keep giving y'all these actionable tips to help you guys take that food business to the next level, because we told y'all this year we want 1,000 of you guys to get shelf space in stores, okay? Yes. And that's our commitment, to help 1,000 entrepreneurs get shelf space in grocery stores across the country, and we want y'all to be one of the 1,000, okay?
There you go.
All right, so we're going to wrap for today. Make sure you guys check out the welcome video, request a call with Shivalo and I, and please do your introduction post so we can learn about you. All right, guys, take care.
Okay, see you.